Welcome to my channel.
Mubarak quiz. How many rakats of Taraweeh prayer? Twenty rakat. When is Taraweeh prayer? In the month of Ramadan. How many times tasbih is read in Taraweeh prayer? Four times. How many times Surah Fatiha is read in Taraweeh prayer? Once. How many times is Kaftuha read in the Taraweeh prayer? Once. How many times Kunut is read in the Taraweeh prayer? Three times. Which surah is read in Taraweeh prayer? Surah Al-Yat. What dua is read in Taraweeh prayer? Rabbi Firli. What installments are read in the Taraweeh prayer? Five. Which surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer which has 100 verses? Surah Al-Mujdila. What kaf is read in the Taraweeh prayer? Surah Al-Ikhlas. After a verse, which dua is recited in Taraweeh prayer? Rabbik Fali. Which surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer which has 70 verses? Surah Al-Munafiqun. What surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer after durood of any prayer? Surah Al-Ikhlas. Which surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer which has 100 verses? Surah Al-Mujdila. What dua is recited in Taraweeh prayer after 75 verses? Rabbik Fali. Which kaf is recited in the Taraweeh prayer that elaborates the tripta? Surah Al-Ikhlas. What installment is recited in Taraweeh prayer after 10 verses? Surah Al-Ikhlas. Which surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer after 20 verses? Surah Al-Ikhlas. What dua is recited in Taraweeh prayer at the beginning? Tahiyatul Masjid. Which surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer which was first recited in Medina during the fast? Surah Al-Alaq. Which kaf is recited in Taraweeh namaz which was recited during Sajda Sehwar? Surah Al-Alaq. What dua is recited in Taraweeh prayer which was mentioned in the verse? Tahiyatul Masjid. What installment is recited in Taraweeh prayer after 5 verses? Surah Al-Asr. Which surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer which has 111 verses? Surah Al-Munafiqun. What dua is recited in Taraweeh prayer after 10 verses? Surah Al-Ikhlas. Which kaf was recited in Taraweeh prayer for the first time? Surah Al-Ikhlas. Which surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer which has 250 verses? Surah Al-Mujdila. Which surah is recited in Taraweeh prayer which has 555 verses? Surah Al-Munafiqun. What dua is recited in Taraweeh prayer after 20 verses? Rabbik Fali.